Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text, just the place in which you can see your keyboard. So here it is, and once you want to change the language of your keyboard, tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap add keyboard, select the language that you want to apply. As you can see, the list is pretty long. You can either use search icon and locate your language, or scroll all the way down to find the language that you want to apply. Tap on done. Once you pick the proper language, you can remove unnecessary one now if you wish. So let me remove English. Tap on bin icon, and then once you go back, you will be able to notice that we've got a brand new keyboard language. So that's it. That will be all. You can change it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.